and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to the Chateau in Bloomington, Illinois. The Chateau is a hotel and conference center, and so we're going to spend the night in one of the rooms here. And so I'm just going to give a short room tour and give a review of the hotel. I might be mistaken, but it looks like at the top of those two towers are some Choluli glass sculptures. Here we're looking outside of the Chateau from just a few different angles. Here's an angle from one of the sides. Rear of the building. This little piece here right outside the door reminds me of A Christmas Carol. Fancy doors. My room is 225. Nice. Right on. Little closet areas here when you walk in. They have a little shelving with the rack, hangers, and a luggage rack. Take a look at the bathroom in just a moment. Right here is the main room. It's very nice. The main light, a lot of hotels and motels I've been in lately, they do not have enough light in the room. That is not the case here. There's plenty of light because there's a light in the ceiling like there should be. Got a lamp here, the nightstand, another lamp there. Drawers. Nightstand's in good condition. Bed is nicely made. Always check, but I shouldn't have to worry about like this place. In all honesty, for bed bugs in a place like this, but another lamp, telephone, chair. Chair is in good condition. I stayed at a hotel earlier this year in Missouri. They only had one chair and it was broken. Another lamp. Got a view already. Outside, this is the front of the hotel. It's a nice little view. Got a microwave and a mini fridge. There we go. The mini fridge is clean. I love it. There are mints here. Mints on the desk. And another lamp. Reading lamp. Lots of light. I love it. TV set. Miniature dresser. Chest of drawers. Got a mirror right here. Very nice. Now I think we'll check the bathroom out. Right here is the bathroom. They got a coffee maker right there. I have a hair dryer. Mirror with lots of light. Soaps and shampoos over here. Actually conditioning and shampoo and lotion and soap. The ice bucket. Little hand towels. I do like how the hand towel, the washcloths are folded into the hand towels. That's a nice little added touch. Toilet is fresh and clean. And the bathtub is clean as well. Nothing fancy about this bathroom, but it is a nice little bathroom. The wallpapering in here is this fleur-de-lis design. It's a nice little touch. It goes with the whole theming of the hotel. Check this out. That's just the Kleenex box. The Kleenexes, and look at that. The Kleenexes are folded on a little fan. That's another nice little touch. Makes you feel special. Just wanted to show this real quick. These are the curtains on the window. I just closed those. I like the design on those as well. Kind of a paisley type, I guess, design. Here's the painting on the wall here. I'm not for sure. It's a print of some, but I'm not for sure what kind of print. I think it's a print. I just noticed the design on this chair. It's pineapples. It's a pineapple chair. And I do, just to kind of get an idea of how cleanly the place is, look around the crevices on the floor. And there's not anything here, even though this is carpeted. Nothing that I can see, at least. So that's another really good sign. So here's a look down the hallway. The far in the hallway, the other direction leads to the lobby. Here is a shot of the lobby. You can see there's a fountain there, as well as these brass bird statues. Here are some little cool designs of the one window that's near the lobby area. Stained glass. This is just another view from the lobby. The lobby is a fairly large lobby. And on the one far end are some rooms. On the other end is a dining area, actually. And through those doors down there is a conference center. Snack machine, soda machine, an ice machine on each floor. The way it's supposed to be. Got these cool benches right here next to the elevator.